Hey, if you like the idea of health and wealth, you need to take the Live Good tour. Find out how me and thousands of others are making a monthly income with Live Good. Click the link in the description to take the 5-minute Live Good tour right after watching this video. Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I've been an advocate for HealthyWage for many years now. I love what they're about. I love the concept. I love the idea that somebody can actually bet on themselves in achieving their weight loss goals, right? Because that's what HealthyWage is all about. It's basically an incentive program for people to get healthier. So with that being said, like, I've done a couple videos on this channel and I see where people are like, oh, HealthyWage, you know, it's a scam, or they don't pay, or you can't make money with HealthyWage. Well, let me just say this, all right? First of all, HealthyWage is a real company, and it really is an opportunity where you could make some extra cash. And I think some people that kind of knock the idea of like, oh, you can't make money with HealthyWage. Keep in mind, HealthyWage is not advertising itself to be a part-time job. They're not saying, hey, lose 5 pounds a week for a job and earn $200 a week, you know, 30-year pension and all that. Nah, come on, man. It's an incentive program. That's what it's designed to be, right? And far as I know, like, they pay. They do, right? Like, you can look at real testimonials. You can look at testimonials on their website, because let's be honest, you can't always trust testimonials from the company website, but do your research. You can look on YouTube and see people who've really made money from HealthyWage. I mean, plus this company's been like on major news programs. They've been around for many, many years. So if they were a scam, they would have been exposed by now, especially if people are hitting their weight loss goals and the company's not paying them. Come on now. Like, they would have been shut down. So in my opinion, the reason that most people don't join HealthyWage is because they don't think they can win. Like, for real. Like, if you're somebody who is trying to lose weight, right, and you're a money-driven type person, right, or you like to gamble or bet or whatever, and you see this opportunity, assuming that you have some extra cash, right? Because if you flat ass broke, then hell no, like, HealthyWage ain't for you. But if you're somebody who has a little bit of extra cash and you really do want to lose some weight and you like to kind of gamble and you believe in yourself, HealthyWage can increase your money. Like, you can win money. It's a fact if you reach your weight loss goals. So I think people who are looking into HealthyWage, because if you're looking on the website or if you're watching the video, you're halfway interested in maybe doing HealthyWage. The fact is, if you believe in yourself, then do it. If you had extra money and you really believe in yourself, then HealthyWage can make your money. Now, if you're looking at HealthyWage as a way to get rich and become a 6-figure earner, no. But if you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash, because yes, there are people who literally reach their weight loss goals and got an extra $500 or $1,000 back after, you know, achieving their goal. Now, one thing I do caution people when it comes to HealthyWage, because, you know, we live in a world where there's a lot of people out there that try to scam the system or try to, like, you know, find shortcuts and everything. HealthyWage does do everything they can do to make sure you're actually losing weight and that it's really you and you're not trying to game the system. But as long as you hit your weight loss goals and you can show it to HealthyWage, you will win your bet. Because who knows, HealthyWage might be that motivation you need to actually achieve your goals. Because let's be real, like, if you bet whatever money you bet, if you don't reach your goal, you lose that money straight up. You know what I'm saying? So you might be that type of person to be like, I put up this amount of money. Hell no, I want that money back. I ain't losing this money. And that might be what you need. So if you want to find out how much money you can make by betting on yourself, all you need to do is click that first link in the description, put in how much money you're willing to bet, and what time period you're going to lose that weight, and find out how much you can earn. So if you do decide to join HealthyWage, come back to this video and comment below, because you never know, I might just check up on you.